Two bird friends, Luna and Totu, lived on opposite banks of a wide sparkling river. Luna had soft blue feathers and loved dreaming. Totu had bright yellow wings and was always ready for fun. Every day they sang sweet duets that made flowers smile. One day a huge storm came with dark clouds and heavy rain. The river grew big and angry. It roared and washed away the old wooden bridge. Now, Luna and Totu could not meet. Luna looked at the wild water. She felt scared. The waves are too strong. I cannot fly over, she said sadly. On the other side, Totu didn't give up. He flew around, collecting long sticks, wide leaves, and strong vines. We will make a boat, he said. Seeing Totu's effort, Luna joined in. Together, they wove leaves, tied everything tight, and pushed the raft into the river. They met in the middle, hugged wings, and sang sweeter than ever.